Welcome to Tech Help Guy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a payment method on Shopify. So what you want to do is to go over to your Shopify store and click on the lower left corner where it says settings. You're going to be brought to this page. You want to go ahead and click on payments option on the left hand side of your screen, and here you're going to be presented with the different options for payment on Shopify. So the first is Shopify Payments, which is the inbuilt Shopify payments gateway. We also have additional payment methods like PayPal and Stripe. So I'm just going to go ahead and click an add payment method here, and if I search by payment method, Visa for example, you can input your credit card information as well as SEPA bank transfer, for example, if you're in Europe, and also M-Pesa if you're in Africa, for example, Kenya. So that is one option for your payment method as well. So I'm just going to go back here so we can take a look at the other options. I'm going to scroll down. Another option is the manual payment method, which is made outside of your online store, and that involves a bank deposit, money order, and cash on delivery. But for this option, you need to be very careful because there are some transaction fees which can be pretty high. So for the sake of this video, we're going to be using PayPal or Shopify Payments, which are the recommended, I would say, payment gateways. So for Shopify Payments, I'm going to click on Complete Account Setup. You're going to need to provide information about your business, and it would need to be verified as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Submit Details here. Then I'll be redirected to this page. Essentially, you need to input your name, your last name, your social security number, and your phone number, stuff like that. So that's that for Shopify payments, which is pretty much recommended, but only works in the European Union. For the sake of this video, we're going to be using PayPal, which is much more available to a lot of other people in different countries. I'm going to click on Activate right here, and as you can see, I'm being redirected to a secure gateway in order to link my PayPal to my Shopify store. So we're just going to wait for that to load up. Right. Once it's done, you would need to input your email address and click on the country or region that you're in. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Once you're done, it's going to be redirected to another page where you're going to need to input your email address and your PayPal password. I'm just going to go ahead and do that and click on login. So as you can see, it's linking my PayPal account to my Shopify store. We're just going to wait for that to load up for a bit, and that's it. Thanks for signing up. So we've successfully integrated PayPal with Shopify. So I'm going to click on go back to Shopify here. And once you're done with that and it's successful, if everything goes the way it's supposed to, you're going to see an active button on the right part of your screen that shows that your Shopify store is enabled for PayPal payments. Bear in mind the transaction fee is about 2% for every payment received. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to smash that like button. Consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.